Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys the new coupons that we'll be getting in this Sunday's paper. Sometimes you can check these out on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Sometimes the company doesn't even post stuff till Thursday, but I just type in inserts for whatever Sunday is coming up, and usually I just pick like the first or second website, but I really like SundayPaperCoupons.com. So we're getting two inserts coming out this weekend. We're getting one Smart Sourced and one Red Plum. So please keep in mind that everybody's newspaper is different in your area. Some of you guys should know what you get, and some of you guys should know that what you don't get. So in case you guys need to order individual coupons, I order individual coupons from Clip to Save or Coupon Whiz. So just giving you guys a heads up, but we're getting $1 off of one Arm & Hammer, Benadryl $1 off of one, 50 cents off of two Betty Crocker, Bic $3 off of one. I never get Bic coupons, so there's that for you guys. Biore, Blue Diamond, Carefree, we're getting $1 off of one, Chola Hot Sauce, Clorox, Continental, we're getting 50 cent off coupons. So it looks like Continental, Scott, 50 cent coupons. We're getting CoverGirl coupons, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1. Corel, $1.50 off of 1 or 4 off of 1. Hopefully we can get some good deals with that. Don Francisco's, not really sure what that is. Dr. Scholl's, 3 off of 1. Energizers, $1 off, $1 off. Fiber One, Flore, Stir, Gordon's, Hoyle, which is $2 off of one. That's like a card game. So with I can't speak, Black Friday coming up, you guys, there might be some good deals that we can use those coupons with. Jergens, $1.50 off, $1, 3 off of 1. We're getting John Frieda, 3 off of 2. Kleenex, 25 cents off of 1. Lenny and Larry's, Playtex, we're getting $1 off of 1 and a 4 off of 2. That's a good coupon. Protein, Remfresh, S&W, which I think that's a soup, or beans, I think. Scott's, 25 cents. Stay Free, $1 off of 1. Sunsweet, Swiss Miss, 2 off of 2 for K-Pod boxes. Viva Paper Towels, 50 cents. And Zyrtec and Rhinocort, 4 off of 1. So that's going to be what is in the Smart Source. Here's what's going to be in the Red Plum. Aussie, now I know pretty much about maybe about 75% of these coupons I will not get. Just giving you guys a heads up. Aussie, 2 off of 2. Aveeno, 3 off of 1. Axe, we're getting a buy one, get one free. Personal Wash. A Barbacell, 3 off of 1. Razor. And then Herbal Essence, 2 off of 2. We're getting some candy coupons, 2 off of 3. So that's a pretty good coupon. Pure Silk, 3 off of 1. And then the shaving cream, 75 cents off of 2. 50 cents off of Quilted Northern. We're also getting Skittles Starburst Lifesaver coupons for the gummies, $1 off, or Fun Sizer gummy bags for $1 off of 2. So that is what is coming out in this Sunday's paper. So please keep in mind that you guys may or may not get everything. So just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.